All right, ladies and gentlemen, Swing Wing Sing here, and today is officially my first day of vacation. Yesterday, of course, being my last working day in 2023, and this is a package that I received this morning, a package that I should have received almost about 4 days back, but of course, because of the holidays and because of Christmas and everything, you know, there are some delays in Amazon delivering the packages on time. So anyway, so this package came this morning, but look at the shitty packaging that Amazon has done on this. I mean, it is a kit and you need to pack it properly with, you know, proper, bubble wraps and stuff like that. They just sent it in a simple, brown paper bag packed like so. The package has taken almost about 5 days to reach me, and what were they expecting? I mean, in 5 days, anything could have happened to the package. But anyway, so what I've done is I have taken off the sticker here, which had my address on it. So that's the only thing I've done so far. So I thought I will unbox it right here on this channel. So let's quickly go ahead and open up this box and look at the contents inside. Basically, so here we are. So that is the package that arrived, and you can see that the box has gone through a lot of pressure out here as well. So I'm not sure how intact the parts are going to be, although it's a sealed box. Now, I had thought of doing this as a quick out-of-the-box build for Christmas, but of course the kit was delayed, and so it is what it is. So the British Aerospace Hawk Trainer Mark 1A, and as you can see, this is from Airfix. Nice kit. This is now available in many Hamleys stores. If you go in and around the country, you will find this kit available in the Hamley stores. But I got this at a steal deal. So you can see the price mentioned out here is 1799 rupees. But I got it almost 500 rupees cheaper. So I went on to Amazon and I was just looking at some Airfix kits that are available. And, just while scrolling, most of them did not capture my fancy, but as I was scrolling through, I found this Hawk kit really reasonably priced at 1340 rupees, and here we are today. So this is the British Aerospace Hawk Trainer Mark 1. As you can see, the Airfix box, the Hawk in this lovely box art with the Hawk Trainer Mark 1 flying around these hills. I think this is the Mach loop because of the water right behind it in the background there. I think it's flying in the Mach loop, and there are certain interesting videos of hawks flying through the Mach loops. You can see them as well on YouTube as well. All right, so if I flip the box to the other side, you see it's got the Airfix branding here. It mentions 172 British Aerospace Hawk Trainer Mark 1A, and it gives you some information about the Hawk in terms of the fact that it replaced the fallen Nat in the fast jet training role, and it's got a 30mm Aiden cannon, centerline gun pod, and this variant has been proven to be an excellent trainer with a secondary attack and fighter capabilities. And it gives you the two paint schemes that you will also see inside the box. The first one is from number 151 Squadron, and the other one is from number 208 Squadron. Humbrol paint callouts, and of course the Airfix 1 Flying Hour, Airfix Club, and Skill Level 2, which of course really doesn't mean anything. Okay, so that's the kit. So let's quickly go ahead and unbox and see what's inside. So just use my hobby knife to cut open the box from here and here. Okay, so doing the honors. Here we go. Let's see if everything's intact. Put the box aside. So usual Airfix packaging, one single plastic bag with all the screws, and I'm more concerned about the canopy being intact. And yes, I do see that it is intact. Okay, and then we are greeted with the instruction sheet and of course the decal sheet. So this is entirely a Royal Air Force decal sheet. So you can see very nicely printed. I think it's printed by Airfix itself, or is it Cartograph? I think it is Airfix. So lots of good detail within the cockpit as well. The Hawk kits are really good. With the Hawk 132s, of course, those were conversions into the Indian Air Force versions. But you know, the decal sheet is very, very interesting. It's got a lot of in-cockpit detail, and it's got a lot of over-the-surface detail as well. So nice decal sheet there. And then, of course, the usual Airfix instruction sheet. So we've got certain black and white instructions with assembling the cockpit, and then assembling the fuselage halves, the wings, the undercarriage. Pretty simple. And then the weapons, and then you've got these two paint schemes. So let me show you the paint schemes. The first one is from the 151st Fighter Squadron, Royal Air Force, Chivanor, Devon, England, July 1983. So that's the one with the camouflage. And the other one is the all black from number 208 Squadron, Royal Air Force, Valley, Anglesey, Wales, UK, April 2016. So I had actually got this kit because I wanted to build the black one. I thought it would be a quick build, and you know, I can probably showcase it for Christmas, but it did not arrive on time. Anyway, so looking at the sprues then, cut open the sprue bag here. Go. All right, so there are all the sprues there. You've got the fuselage halves. Lovely bit of detail. Let me zoom into the detail here. As you can see, you know, although a small kit, but beautiful detail. Recessed panel lines, nice surface details out here. So that's the fuselage. And here is the clear parts. Thankfully, they're intact. So we'll have a look at that as well in the end. The wings here, nice surface detail again, recessed panel lines, beautifully detailed panels. Good one there. That's the cockpit, the two-seat cockpit. You've got the two instrument panels. You've got the cockpit bulkhead. You've got the two ejection seats. And the good part is you've also got two pilot figures. So that's the third sprue. Fourth sprue has the lower half of the wings, the horizontal stabilizers, undercarriage. Again, very nice detail, beautifully detailed here. And the last sprue has, I think, the sidewinders, the drop tanks, and I think the centerline gun pod as well. So 5 sprues, very detailed, very nice looking sprues there. And let me quickly open up the clear parts as well. Okay, so there we are. Let me zoom in. Nice bit of detail on the clear parts, very clear, crystal clear in fact. Beautifully detailed. You've got some, I think, an HUD. This is the cockpit splitter. This is the portion that is used to shield the pilot in the back from the strong, gusts of winds that will blow once the canopy is ejected off and the front pilot ejects. To save the rear pilot from any damage to his face or body. So that's the center splitter plate, and of course the front windshield. Nice, very nice detail. It's got some landing lights as well. Very crystal clear. Beautiful. So if you enjoyed this video, please click on the thumbs up. Do consider subscribing because that helps grow the channel. And I had, of course, thought of building this for Christmas, but as I told you that, this kit did not arrive on time. So I'm continuing with my 2 double builds, the Azure Mysteer 4A, which is almost in the painting stage, and of course the Mr. Craft TS11 Iskra. which is almost also in the painting stage. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye bye. Take care.